Here are some yearling bulls available. They're all purebred Angus. Conley Passport. The other two are a set of twins out of a Stewart Angus bull. All born in January and February. It's kind of cool here in southwestern Indiana this morning. We're going to get up to almost 70 today. Calves are out laying in the sun. And I've been checking heats in cows, and I think there's 3 of them in standing heat this morning, so it will be a busy evening calling up cows and getting them AI'd. So I set up here on the hill where the cows are, and I can watch for a little bit. Again, I've got these January bull calves that are heat detecting for me. Well, as you can see, I'm cutting, actually splitting firewood. Well, as you can see, the wood supply is growing, and by the time the end of the week comes, next week, I will have at least a 2-year supply of wood. So I'm ahead of the game. When you get older, you need to be ahead of the game. So that is what's been happening the last 2 days. This is tag 518, one of the twins out of one of the that came from Andrew Stewart Angus. And again, I've got the blood work to turn in the DNA to see for sure the sire. Here's his brother, tag 519. This is the biggest of the 3 bulls, and that's a Conley Passport. And all of these are January, February borns. All 3 of these are really nice young bulls. As I mentioned, wouldn't advise these for heavy use, but got a small group of heifers. These are the bulls that you might want to use. I know this probably doesn't look like much, but I'm guessing it's well beyond a gator load of wood. I believe this, as I mentioned, I think it's cottonwood, which is not a great wood as far as holding the fire, but it should burn hot, and don't think I'd want to use it to stoke the fire during the night next winter. But anyway, getting ready to load this up. Well, it's a matter of removing all the rotten posts and re-nailing the high tensile. Always projects on the farm. Always. Well, as you can see, I'm cutting more firewood. So again, I've just moved the skid steer over, lifted it up off the ground so I don't run the saw in the ground, and it stays sharp longer. Well, this has been the evening, and it's probably 7:30, 8 o'clock. Not sure what time it is, but the wind was blowing. It was nice and halfway cool. It's pretty humid. So I came out. You saw me cutting up these chunks of firewood. This is the piece that's left. I threw a chain on the chainsaw, so I think that's a good spot to stop. And you can see all these chunks are cut up already. Some of them rolled down the hill, but I'll get these cut up, and then my son and I will start splitting all these. And by the time I get this done, I will have at least 2 years supply of firewood. Well, I've started splitting this wood that I cut last night, and these chunks are absolutely the verge of me not being able to lift them up. So I'll probably hook up the bucket on the skid steer, or the grapple I should say, and pick them up with that to make it easier to set it on the splitter. This is the second round of cow checking for estrus. Cows are all out picking grass, although I am going to give them some more hay. The pasture's pretty slim pickings. It's a nice day. As you saw, I was splitting wood, and I've lifted about all I can lift for a while, so need to get fuel for the wood splitter as well. Nice Wednesday morning. And we could use a little rain. It had turned off pretty dry after it being wet for such a long time. Well, I'm getting ready to call the cows up because I've got at least one that needs bread tonight. So I'm going to put this on time lapse, so you'll see these cows coming up. I'm going to close out this week's video. Got up this cow, tag number 021. She's in standing heat, and I put 2 tags on a couple of my fully loaded heifers. One of those I know for sure has already been bred, but I thought one of them might be coming in heat, so I put tags on it to be sure. So anyway, thanks for watching this week's video. Hope you enjoyed the different stuff that goes on the farm. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, share with your friends. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up button. Have a great weekend, everyone.